Okay, guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips, and we'll be checking this out right here in this video. But before we go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay, these are some of the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when we are seeing this video. If you are not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. So let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with GainX 1200. Okay, guys, this is GainX 1200. I'm on 15 minutes time frame, and let's check this out together. Okay, this actually we actually analyzed this asset earlier today, and I told you that okay, we started this signal yesterday and we analyzed it yesterday. As at this morning, it has achieved the first three TPs, and I am hoping that it will get this region. And just the way we are saying it, can you see that it has also achieved the last TP? Okay, so that is the beauty of it, guys. When you use a strategy that works for you, then you will definitely make profit from there. Okay, so this is very, very important. This actually got to the support zone at this point and it was unable to break out from there, so it switched into an uptrend. So we plugged into it, entry point, stop loss, TP 1, 2, 3, and the last TP achieved. Even the last TP is bigger than the first three TP, and that is the amazing tips about this. Okay, so this is so unique, this is so beautiful. However, this is still buying until it is unable to break out above the next resistance zone, which is somewhere here. Okay, so for now, this is still more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Now let's move on, guys. Gain X 999. This is Gain X 999. This has been on downtrend, even though I don't love the movement that it is creating around here. Got to this support zone, try to pull an uptrend move, but didn't go too far before pulling back. Okay, so it is selling right now, so I'm expecting it to get to this region. The reason why we I have not been spotting any signal on this is because of this movement. I don't really like this movement, and it can actually push you into a wrong market. Okay, so that is why I'm waiting for a clear signal before we can go fully into it. However, this is still selling at the moment. Okay, if it breaks out from here, it will go below. I mean, it will be targeting the support zone. Okay, so this is more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Next asset is going to be Paynex 1200. Okay, Paynex 1200 is also another asset which we analyzed earlier today, and of course, this is our entry point, and right here is the support zone, which is what we are also using as our stop loss. And we also highlighted some TPs for us. Okay, TP 1 achieved, TP 2 achieved, TP 3 achieved, TP 4 achieved. Right now, it has also achieved TP 5. Okay, this is the final TP. It is yet to achieve it. Okay, as at this morning, it has only achieved the first three TPs, and right now it has achieved the fourth and the fifth TP. And right now, we are hoping that it will go back and achieve this last TP. This is huge profit for us already, and this is more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Let's move on to Paynex 999. Okay, this is Paynex 999. Paynex 999 also did very well today. Okay, so yesterday we analyzed this also, and I told you that once it breaks out from this um resistant trend line, then it's going to buy more. So that is why I added our entry point at this point and the support zone as our stop loss. Okay, and TP 1 achieved, TP 2 achieved, TP 3 achieved. It almost achieved TP 4, but it didn't achieve it. Okay, so right from there it went back into a downtrend, just where we are saying it, and gave us a sell signal, and it has been selling since then. Okay, so this is more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. So guys, the last asset is going to be FX volume 80. Let's check it out together. This is FX volume 80, and of course we also made a lot of profit with this particular asset because after getting to this support zone, it started an uptrend and we milked the uptrend till the very end of the trend. So right now it has gotten to the resistance and wasn't able to break out from there, switch into a downtrend. But just because it started earlier and we didn't take note of it, so I did this new setup, okay, after this pullback. So this is now going to be the entry point. This is going to be our stop loss, and of course, right here, we have TP1, TP2, TP3, and TP4. Okay, we hope to achieve all these TPs also. It might not be now, but probably later in the night, we are going to achieve some of the TP, if not all. Okay, and of course, the entry point is yet to be is yet to be triggered. Okay, so make sure you also have your setup. I mean, your account set up like this so that you can also benefit from this. Okay, so this is going to be more of a selling opportunity than buying. I mean, it is going to be more of a selling opportunity. Okay. So these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are here to perfect a trading skill, kindly go back to my channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the strategies shared there. Practice very well on your demo account before you try it out on your real account. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly subscribe to this channel right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.